front of me is Black Shark Pad SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll again, tap on Device Unlock and select Screen Lock. Now select one of those options, pattern, PIN or password. Create it. If you made a mistake, hit clear at the bottom left corner and then enter it correctly. To continue, select Next. Repeat your login method to confirm it and choose Confirm. Now you need to click on one of those options to answer the question, what do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit Done. So when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can set pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!